Shant here with Southern California Apartment Group. I'm here with my good friend and client, Sal. We've known each other for a few years now. We sold him another property, maybe like 2-3 years ago or so.
Correct.
Just purchased this 10-unit building in prime Pasadena. We're right near the South Lake District, near Caltech. And the building had 2 vacancies when we purchased the property. And he is completely going through these 2 vacancies, which in general terms were sort of rent-ready. So I wanted to kind of understand why you're taking the leap of faith and going over and above what most people would do on renovations.
Right. So one of the reasons is because the location of this apartment building. It's a prime location in Pasadena, and then we decided to renovate this to bring us the top dollar, the rent. Normally I don't go out my way to do this much because of the locations, but this one we decided to do change all the appliances and the floors, the bathroom, everything.
The kitchen was already redone somewhat.
I had the cabinets, but I had to change some of and to open up some of the doors there, and then we'll show you around.
Yeah, here, show us around some of the stuff that you're.
So there used to be a window unit, AC. We removed that, and then we installed a new AC bits, which is much smaller, more modern, and a lot less noisy. We did that. We smoothed out the ceiling. It used to be popcorn. Added this recessed lights. We're changing the floors to hardwood floors. Added a new fan, which has a light as well. Opened up the kitchen door.
This was much more narrow before.
Yeah, it was just like one small entry right here, but we opened it up. The cabinets were there before, but we changed all the handles. The door handles are all changed. We're getting a new fridge right here, which will cut in exactly to the opening, the size right here. So cover that up. And from here, sorry about the noise. It's quite noisy here right now. We're still working with San Studio. We redid the bathroom completely. New vanity, putting lights. I don't want to remove all of that because that's going to go inside, but new toilet.
Fancy toilet.
Smart toilet, yes. And there used to be a bathtub, so we removed that. We made it to a freestyle shower head. And then we will have a washer dryer, which before did not have, this unit did not have it, but we created the hot water plumbing for it, and which will go right here.
And you could see they're already putting some of the floor in.
And that's the bathroom. This is a 1-bedroom apartment, so we're changing all of that.
And these are pretty big 1-bedrooms.
It is.
Yeah, they're good size units. Sal, thank you for taking the time for showing us the progress of the unit. I know I've been bugging you to come and take a look at it.
Not a problem.
How much do you think you're going to be into this unit for when all is said and done?
I'm estimating it would be between $30,000 to $40,000 once I'm completely done with renovation this unit. So,
well, we definitely want to come and check it out once it's done and see the final product. And you have to make sure you get us in before you rent it. So.
Absolutely, yeah. Whenever you're ready for this.
Thank you, appreciate it.